Namagacho a Safaricom Hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angina Credit Bank ime yomucho wasongo bakere simbutra seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Maragoba engio mwanchumu ligeriria ndonsia soto bwaterete charagire chinsa ibere chiabono magoroba ekionga chinsa ibere ase Jumatano yabene chitariki isano na isato asomotienyi ogatano na kabere amanga agendete gukorekana kurwa chinsemo ayuna bere ngukwariganiria ase nchira ere yowikaranu karibu ase nchira yabene elionkumanye onsi ayuna bere ngukwariganiria Wilson Makori nereto kubwaterana kurugaria sensemo yebimanyererio na incheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemuntu na mwanchu murigeria ogendete gutobwatia ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook na bego YouTube na Getembe TV na bego ogendete gutengera ATVI. Karibu ngumanye ase nchura yobwikiranu kurende anegatia ali na kwaleganirie ase kiunga chinsa ibere asobotko bwalero. Omuchando wechi skuru koya nigogendete kwenekigwa aseriro balia gusi aseri tukulia lero eskuru yabamura ya Nyamache eskuru yabamura ya Sameta na bage eskuru yabamura ya St Paul's Igonga cyabachikobwato umuriro.
We don't want schools to be banned. We want students to be warned against banning school property.
Aborokiwa wetani chiribu chimya ibere na merongo kianda mbachigosoa City University nechitivet magaga ya kusipsko watoka machibu.
The Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service has completed the 2026-2027 placement cycle of students to universities and colleges.
Omuraibenzi ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto kwa ina kibune serikali nigera chikulenda obotenengu amone niboyense.
Proudly joins that community of nations that saves while they build.
Karibu bono elionkomanye ase njira ere yobwekiranu tugochaka limorioka no roboti ase obotuki bogenderete limorioka igoro yogosambwa weskuru ya Nyamache ose igoro yomuriro mutindi gwateka ase skuru ya St Paul's Igonga ase litukulero ase aborokiwa batano na babere baba bagutegerwa chingoma chinke asomo DCC okenyenya asomo DCC kurwa ase chinsemecho aberega kweneke gekorekyo nagotebabuna ni kubotukibwa chakibwe limurioka eriko enekya ngiya chakyo muriro yubotukubogo kirarero ase nonye nabo amasomo abaga kogenderera ase eskuru yo muri kito dipon asanya nero gutuchakirie kionga chinsa ibere ase nchira yowekirano.
ogwateka kumuriro ase nyumba y'oburaro ase skuru y'abamura ya St Paul's Igonga yogotoka ebunge ya Bonchari me county ya Kisii negekore kiabatura abaibuli erombe emambia asoko myoka kurigereria enchera abana babo bagenderete sector yegisemi amana baigo borendi kurwase bunge yo bakorawa no deputy county commissioner Grace Ouma Nikubaikirana asoko bakirori yegekorekyo.
My name is Grace Ouma, the Deputy County Commissioner, Kisii South. Yeah, we are here following yesterday's arson. There was a dormitory that was partially burnt or set on fire, but the students managed to bring the fire down. The fire brigade from Nyamira was also here yesterday, and it is something that was manageable. So the students were able to settle and sleep.
Watekana umuriro yiga nigo bete ko wateka chinsa chiabutuko nigo boroki wakianda babete bagutigerwa chingoma chinke.
We had 9 casualties. All the 9 were brought back. They went to the local dispensary here and they were treated and stable. They are all back in school. We are following on the arson. We are waiting. The DCI is on it, and we will soon get if it was electrical fault or it involved maybe a student or if there was an outsider, so that we leave it to the DCI.
Maigaya baibuli kobokera koligereria amagima y'abana babo nigo bono baenekerwa oborendi boisaine.
So we have met the parents. They have come and they insisted on seeing their children. They have seen them and they are assured that they are safe. We have also assured them that all is well with us. We are taking charge.
Chingaki ekiombe gya DCI gya chakiro tuki asokumanya omuchakano bo wateka kumuriro yoiga ngobono egekaro kyabene kyariganiwe kyogocha abaibuli aborokiwa naboigo ababwatani be serikali ase sector yetisemi ne sector y'oburendi barachikomirana asobokwanira anena mangana ali arengete eskuru yoiga.
So we have agreed to have an AGM next week on Wednesday so that the parents can also share their grievances, if any. We have already heard from the students and they have all been addressed. Today we are also installing the new principal because there has been a while without a substantive principal, and maybe that is why there was the challenges. So we are sure this is the last time Igonga is burning.
Roiga skuru ya secondary ya mamura ya St Paul's Igonga yogotoke bunge ya Bonchari me county ya Kisii liane gongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Biamono sana mulikito Dipon Asanya ekero tutigalete asorobotironde ronga bunuru chinga kiboigo obutuki bwacha kiwe igoro yogwateka ko murero uyo bakugwateka litukulia lero ase skuru y'abamura ya Sameta naboigo eskuru y'abamura ya Nyamache ikigotoka ase bunge ya Bubasi ase egekolekyo kyaberege koleta amaboli amange ngiye kwira chiskuru chinyinge kogendra gusambeka ase chinsemo ao na masomo ugoturubanirwa umulikito Gilbert Kobi nabaka talera chiskuru echo na gutwariganiria robot yoru asobwime
nime ase ensemo ya Bubasi ase chiskuru ya ko bachikuba tumuriro ase litukulia lero eskuru ya gwatumuriro ya Nyamache boys ase kidomu iberkenya ko bachikuba tumuriro ekegenga kyogo chikuba tumuriro yiga kitaranya ko bagiye kumanyikana singa kicyabwango yiga nigo abana barenga ase nyombe cy'uburaro banyako bagomyokibwa nabo igogo konyo kubase umuriro yo asabanyana ko baguyukiye sense mingao gutera nayo gutenerwe skuru ya Nyamache boys ni ngombwa cyane asubwango mano nabo yogosanga ne kinse montenira cyako butuki bakikonyana ko bakwenekia ikiriro umuriro yikonyana ko bakubekwaro wegera kinga twari cyako batokwa endembeo nigo gutenirwa board of management we skuru ya Nyamache boys kwa ipianga mbanyako bakubulira abana bali banyako bagusambirwe binto meito amo namarangeti libanya ko bakwira ne skuru na mwana tayo chunya ko bagotenirwa ko ende skuru kuwetera kinga kiecho abayigo asensemo ya Sameta skuru ya mura ya Sameta yanko nyanya ko ngo gwatumuriro abayigo utukibo cyakiriye iligo nyana ko bakwenekia iganga yo gusamba skuru ya kinga kiechiga.
Mimi naitwa Angela Wanyama, Deputy County Commissioner Sameta Sub County, na tuko hapa Sameta Boys High School. Tulipata habari around 5 AM kwa dormitory inachomeka, and we mobilized the stakeholders as you can see them around, We mobilized the school board, the security team, education officers, the disaster team, and we were on site. The fire was put off, and we thank God all the students are safe. They've been accounted for, and some of the properties were destroyed. And for now, the security team and the board members are still working on the way forward. Investigations are ongoing, and as at now, we don't know the cause of the fire. So we will wait until investigations are over.
Kiskuru chinyinge meye county ya Kisii yanko bachiko bwato muriro umusingi no liutranya ko bwo kwene kigwiga chinga toko ndembeo boyigo abatuki bagenda kukoro obutuki bwabo kole bategetembe rwasensemo yabo basi meye county ya Kisii amaritana Gilbert kobi
Miamuno umuriketo Gilbert Kobi aso gutwaliganiria oroboti urutogo tigana nayo nagusuka guciase oroboti runde ekyombe keligetenenerete amangana yo kubabeka borokigwa ase chiskuru baguchi ose university amone chitivet kimanyikante buna cops gose kusips nigo litukolia rero kyabage kubwatuka machibu yo mwako yoiga asa borokigwa wetani chiri buchimi bere na merongo kyanda barachigosoa ase university amone chitivet elikwenyorera amasomo ase birongo biguru kwa litukulia rero kurwa somo chomonene o Nairobi umuwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Migos Ogamba nigaberika gotebabuna eserikali nigira chikogendera gusira masomo ase chinsemo na kubolia borokigwa kwebwaterania amona masomo ayura chikuba konya asa matukali wasio.
The Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service has completed the 2026-2027 placement cycle of students to universities and colleges. Since 2014, when we began the centralized placements under the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, there has been significant growth and advancement in the placement sphere. To illustrate the growth, during its first ever placement in June 2014, KUPS placed a total of 72,338 students to the universities and colleges compared to the 293,869 students who are being placed today. These numbers tell the story of a tertiary education sector that is progressively maturing, marked with career guidance and increasing access and equity. We have moved from 72,000 to almost 300,000 being placed today.
Ukubolia ningo kwabekirwe nsemo asaba ibuli kubwaterana asesegi yo gusiria malita genkyo asaba nabanyaruka na kubatanga kurwa sobunereria bwakera chingenjo na buna gutumanya muriketo Dipon Asanya na gutumanya muriketo Daniel Ontiri haya nigo abakagukwana no MC omochole me county ya Kisii Muswati Dolphin Bwari chinga kichinkwana yaye amona boroki wase chiskuru au ase bunge ya South Mogirango una enchire ya moyogo kinya ibirengo bya masomo asaboroki
Ukwana seskuru ya sekondari ya Maiko imeyatabake kaunti ya Kisii wari nigasingerere igoro yokugania gukubwaterana asoko ene kyobacheno egati abana banyeroka chingaki kya matukabo no buya wa masomo ilibacho gwakonya asa matukali bosio ni chingaki cyo mochando bo maritagi nkyo otewa kobeke goche kanene asa abana bekyareke
entugwente ko ensure no mwana munyaruka na very comfortable because abana baita banyaruka ngo twara bari challenges cye kinyomo cya mapema na egento gekoro ku teen pregnancies ikine egento tugwente ko rwanese geyu erinde twenshwe na abana baito kinyaruka banyole rivaga na kale umwana munyaruke gasi aya amanyire no kwenda roche gotanya chinko okogenda gwoye na nyora abana and gwikiragabu lakini bona igatwatwarire society etaito mwana omunyaruka isoke asichi activities chinde chinyinge na kigeka tugutarira abana baitu tukubakwania tukubateina ribagari abo ndirororo ase society yaito
asense mwende wari nigamenta buna abana banga banyaruka nigo bagwetera imechando ao chingaki bakorigia kwerenda kabochenu ekyo kirira benyora asemetego yogoturubania masomo
nabatarira gukwanira esauti yo musubati gaigankwane n'abanyaruka baito obuya bwa chisemi cyabo ekero bali skuru nakibagwente koira gusenga kibagwente koibogoli n'abana kinyaruka nande pia kerenge kenene tugukwanira gento gukuru ku period poverty igaiga se county ete agusinko nyari kanere n'abana mbari bakoira up to 3 days batari ko ende skuru aso mutinyi asa matukari yabo yo mutinyi nakiye kogera bunanche n'abasani bane twa kiramo tokoligie nchira yo wonchukana within the county ko inishwa n'abana na baborukende gyonsi mbaba se komise classini. That is how we push na bana kinyaruka na baraba gwende kubagendera ko performance school cyabo like abana bamuraba ko perform.
Sara Kerubo no morokia wa waroki wa baiga uyu kwandira wasemere kwa ego cia sama tukali bosio
obekire omogo kaso bosiwaito asengencho atoreteiro ebinto konye abana bandi batabwati eskuro yengo somi nche no mwalimu ngoge nogendrete ko somi uyo ndinarocha andegete are uncomfortable kerasime okobatabwati ebinto byabandi okonyara bairorerete chinsa chinyinge bona togote bangambia mono nande ntomento moki ando mheshimiwa togocha kukwariga ni umwakonde oretwa mentira sama soma ito asante sana
aso murubiriga aboroki wa baiga nigo babatukirwa bitamba bibochenu nabana bamura bayego bintu bingencho asama somo bune bitabu ne chikaramu ubuya wego wagokerwa se skuru ya secondary ya Rio City na goti chaki ELCK chionsia se bunge ya South Mugirango ase county ya Kisii mkurubutere gataseni kiagatembe literane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri
Biamono umuriketo Daniel Ontiri haso gutwariganira roboti rutogo suka bosyo egitambukiro kyogusiria ebikole byogusalia nabo igogwetanga amono butumiki bwa maliogo yogotindia nigo abasayikorwa sekenyoro ao babere bakubulwa banyareko babakwebwatiranire chikuzi kya maboko elikwelikia asamatuko alibosyo elina kemuntu amono Roslyn Nyakona barule esegeto asekigoliegeke kwebwatirania ne chikuzi kya maboko elikwane kibunangu etanga bale kurwa se ebikole byo koreto gusalia asamagi mabo dipon asanya utwariganiri oroboti urwa
abasaye kurase bunge ya Bunchai me county ya Kisii nigo bagenderete kogokera anene amagelio yokonyora obumanyi bwokwirika ojo kuriye kirogo kyobo women rep me county ya Kisii Roslyn Nyakona nigo asegetire emirobirio engabuneye
Ndiesane nkuru kwa Dr. Roslyn Nyakona Oigara njeno munyagitari nkuru wonchali nkuliginde kirugo kya bangina asarit kolia lero nago kigusana gojumuikana egrupu ye grupu nga Madiva ne CBO ere county wide ere in all the 9 sub counties enaro cha mangana online binto baga koranga twara interesting karatika na inchengi chendolenga ninkia abana baba minto baga kora ndolenga ninkinda wa support
Samarieta Nelina namna mwegure ninche mwanzilishi wekembeki kya Madiva kere county ngima ntonyorete donation from Shofco tokachaka 2 months ago go train abana bamintaba bake the young mothers, the widows, the orphans. We also have some boys within us bago train aso konyora hands on skills
gukona ime yasunika ni gatebirenga buninchira ya muyo kwebwaterania ase sector au elio kwegendereria
supporting our young people who will actually be at home maybe konya go or be engaged in no crimes no nyeno konyo malioko lakini bono yabeire ko bage ko bakonya
boni gatwaro lirobo konyi abana ba faidikire abange to register 302 by the end of this year by the end of the 1 year we will have supported 1200 students
chingaki echecho ni galieira yogo chigosira ebyombe bunebiga
unango chakoire kero kyobo women lab na bonka geretenga these are the kind of opportunities I would love to use kokonya abantu baminto especially the youths nande naronga it is very open leaders once ipi bali more birogo na abantu mutali birogo kyero muntu kawata sako endago chane besa yae ngokonyera mangana abange then we will not be having even to bona financial abuse
nabo bigokea nao ne chisegi cha nyomba nabo chigokea
omogokonde na sabaiburi
munando mubaraka konya na kumiri bono gaki omwana omranga naiga ugocha gweta chi street na cha konyake ama ene nkaigu madiba ya chira nkarigieri na ngamutega kini mbwato mwana aba monte ante beti mondete kamoretera omwana omanyire komina omanyire kogingera bono agantebinga maminta
abaraini go basegeture gusira emirubiri ngamune yeiga asogonchereria amagima y'abasaya bange
wensi obwato moyo miebo gokonya abantu tabwati ndamwamu imeae na bagocha akonye muna bono Cliff Ombeta na getesi mekeraro chibintu togo online agateba tiga embawe abantu 10 na kero monto 10,000 diba uchake biashara bya bibike mama county incoming women rep mama Roslyn na era buna igwete akanga keresi myakamboli nke kinyugete keregabo nkamoeresera ama ene pinga mutebie e challenge tobate chimashini bere chiregabo na ndo promise ningo cyare gotogorera onde bwensi tabeso go politicize genteke abana abantu batse gokonya as an individual omuntu akwamanga bono kuniru ocha go support bona muna bona ga madam atembere go cyara gotogorera edry yemo edry yugese gotumika gokonya abana baito muna gwato support rigega go support na bande community ito tekonye gati
kuraiga ase ensemo ya suneka ebunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii ile ni gonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Biemono yabe n'umurikito Dipon Asanya abananchi abagutumeke pale kurumiruka masosa getari imeyegodiya nyamaya ibongene ya West Mugirango nigo besokiri na kureberengerera byabo kubwatikana no koroisigwa we pale yo egati yabo nigo babere bakogokera enchire pale yero isirie asibatebire obosombi bwebimeri byabo naboigo etubo yabo nigo babere bokororoba ekero bokubwekaniwa nabo maiga konyoreta raro isigwa nonye nabo babere bakomochia enchire pale jiga yaberege koroisigwa asebono babere bagwesokya na kuboria epara ekorumasosa gochigetari enyare ko bage koroisigwa buya asebaboryo munyakonda kwirana sayo na kurigereria epare yo nakoyoroswika asebirengo biria biganirie umurikyo ito Fatgadi Gisemba utwaliganirie roboti urwa
no mwenso asaba menyabo bagutumika epara ekorwamiruka masosa gochagetari imeye wodi ya nyamaya ebunge ya West Mugirango mahega yabo koroseriwa epare yeiga inse yoburai bwaye omubunge Stephen Mogaka.
First of all tunashukuru mjumbe kwa kutengeza barabara kwa maana hali yenye iko saizi na vile ilikuwa zamani haikuwa vizuri. Saizi angalau inapitika.
MP ajue tumemshukuru, lakini mwaka ya kesho tuko na yeye, tunamfuata kama sungura, hatutamsahau vile ametusaidia. Sionana leo mumeona gari hapa, gari hakuna gari, ukuona gari inapita nywe
ukwana na bararia omugasorero nigo abamenyaba bakwanira emechande mengi mono eyo babeire bagwetira anene chingaki bakogenda echiro na boigo koira abaroire ase enyagitari.
Ilikuanga na tatishi wagonjwa, watu walikufa kwenda hapa ndani sana. Unapata mgonjwa amegonjeka, hakuna gari inaweza pita, hakuna pikipiki inaweza enda hadi huko mwisho. Lakini sasa hivi imelimwa, naona karabati zimewekwa.
Jina yangu ni John Ogutwe huko. Likuwa hatu unasumbuka. Magari ilikuwa inalala hapa. Na kuna waishi wameshaingilia hapa sisi. Wanatuivia mandisi, kama gari ikikwama wanakuja usiku na wako na mapanga. Ona vile nilipigwa hapa. Mumesaidia sisi, tunashukuru.
Ase ensemo yende nigo abamenyaba batumekire ribageriga na kuboria omunyakonda oyo okoroisia epare yeiga kora masosa wechagetari kuyeirora asoko yoroisia buya ase keria batebire buna nigo eroisirie ase nchira etariengia
na ndo gakora mangana maja korumiruka pakogaika masosa lakini epare yuko masosa goika getari primary maosi enibagite kare mwabege to moro mutebe kiri moro mu ebe kiri moro mwari are nande siba ko rana ka moro mu karo ba le to gotuma omo injino ito ekero mubungo itago cha gocha kurigereria amakoso muna yo to baise ko irorera inju toro serie para na intwe oyo minte kare to gochi kumwagera chikura twamanya na torosane tie para
chingaki echecho nigo bamuburiro mubunke obo Muske Stephen Mugaka boigo kubarwanirira erio babekerwe erami
aseriete ya nencha kino kwambuka mukoyo epare yaro muchumbe na tokonya gekogera amancha ari gwembura yari gotwa ya kuchigari chakwa kuikera baka ekera Jumatano gari njiri gweta asengenjo ya mancha ichire chipara akiroseti lakini bona asengenjo ya ikire nyasawa mororeire otoraira mabera batotanda seire para nande tugusaba nyasaye amokonya nanda tubekire rami erinde para yaite tware biasara na intu twakore biasara twaterekana na matoke para bantu bakwenda nyamusia bantu bakwenda miruka erinde batobogoria bakwenda chisafari.
So ningeomba tu mjumbe hakika kama mnaweza tenga pesa hii barabara iwekwe lami, hakika itakuwa vizuri zaidi.
Hingo ripota Getembe kuraiga Nyansankyo eye gutoke meye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Yesemba.
Biamono umurikeito Fatgad Gisemba togosuka bosyo oyo kabaire omonogeri bwebunge ye county ya Kisii David Kombo nigabaga kubwatu kwa ritukulia lero n'umunachibi na Bernard Omwansa magega yobusaiti boisaine kubora nabona gutumanya umurikeito Brian Nyakundi Kombo nigabetega kubeko byara nikyumbe kya EACC ekyabeteke gotebabuna nigabwate amamocho yobutumekyo bobe buyabisiaye
Maega yogo ikigwa bosio bwekegambero nekiombe gyokurwanio bukurumi kia EACC ase amamocho yobutumeki obobebu abisi nigo munachie bina ase kigambero kenene gya Kisii Bernard Omwansa amubwatoka oyo kabeire omonogeri bwebunge ya Kisii David Kombo nabo igo amamochae gutuguterware Kago kwana ime yekigambere kyo emambia ya lero munachiebi na Bernard nigateba mamocho andetayo ayo amebwatiranitiye Kombo.
I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused. Pursuant to section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, I accordingly find that both accused persons have no case to answer and that are hereby acquitted of the charge. The cash paid be released to the depositors as prayed.
Omwakili George Morara amo na Kombo nigo baikirana elio gutegerera ekina ekyo abo ase mwakili Morara agikeria ekiombe kia EACC ase okumusaga na Kombo na komoreta gusi libaga liokobwatia lichiko liekigambero kianete buna aerete bweka bosio bwekigambere ekyo.
Of July 2026 before the Chief Magistrate Court at Kisii, also doubling up as the Anti-Corruption Court at Kisii, before Honorable Chief Magistrate Omwansa Bernard, the case that was before the court against Mbaka, the former acting clerk to the Kisii County Assembly, and the former speaker David Kombo of the Kisii County Assembly, a case under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, Section 46, abuse of office. The case has been dismissed after the court having a finding that the prosecution did not prove the charge beyond any reasonable doubt. Or staff of the Anti-Corruption Commission who dramatically arrested him or abducted him from Nairobi and drove him overnight from Nairobi, aligning him in court, disregarding an earlier order from the same court that Mzee presents himself before the court to take a plea for this matter. It is a victory for the legal team that has religiously and diligently prosecuted this matter. The evidence that was presented did not meet the threshold of convicting or finding Mzee to have a case to answer before a court of law, trumped up judges. The evidential capacity, the documents that were presented did not link the former Speaker Mzee Kombo, or rather they did not bring him near the scene of the same crime that the anti-corruption alleged.
Nase ensemo yae Kombo nigo agokera kuna chuku abo ase ayaneria mbuya ekigambiro nabo igabo wakili bae ase ogokonya obwene bwae kwene kigwa.
I thank God because the truth has at least been brought up. I want to thank my lawyers. The two lawyers did a wonderful job. A wonderful job by at least bringing it before the court that I have never and I will not want to commit any crime.
Nuko ripotilia Getembe korwa ase amagacho yekigambiro gya Kisii elietariane Brian Nyakundi.
Mwanchomo rigereria ekero togendrete na mangana itamaya ase studio nigonde na bageni obekira ase studio elio tochigosanga mange anene ayagendrete kwene kiwasi chinsemo ao anene kubwatekana negekore ekyabake gokorekana chinsemo chiri cha Kiumbu asabanta bange baba bagutikirwa chingoma chintindi na boigo oyonde agasiria obogima bwaye asabagani bekirike gase studio eligo kwanira igoro ye caravan gose igoro yo korobekana okubara chigokora litukolia ankyo asoko ene kibuna ngugikere bale ebikole byo by'abantu gochererwa nabo igo abana siasa gotumika abasahibo be asokoleta chibura buru ase chinsemo ao ekero togendrete igo nigo ndachikokoletera abageni abaikabalike gase studio eri togendre gusanga mange nabo igo togendre kuligereria ayagendete kwene kigo ase chinsemo ao. To my far right, madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Karibu. Nabo kwani mwancho murigereria urisikogalia umutebe na kyokuruko as we dive in.
Yes, mwancho murigereria samarite nkuruko Frida Onduso ninche the Secretary General ya Linda Mwananchi National Youth League na ndendo Monchari kuruari Rian Award gumukora kenyero kya Nyakera.
Yes.
I'm very proud kuruwa sekinyori ekyo. And yes, I'm happy for being hosted hapa hivi.
Right.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Karibu na mimi. Karibu sana. You can say hi. Wakati na kyokuruko.
Ndiye mwana baba.
Yes.
Samarita ngo kwa Frank Mirina. Ninjino murasaye kuwe county to Busi. Nando yomo wa Peace Ambassadors.
Okay.
Bali bakiri motwe kugikirie nabataka koleta obomo ase county to. Matwarorire kisegi cyabere buraburu yabukire.
Yes.
Onenga kire tukoleta obotwereru abantu tumenyama no marembe nande tumenyama bulaki family.
Right. Asante, karibu sana. Madam ekirongo chaka naye ekikoleke kyaba Kiumbu ekero toko diving straight. Ekero naligwete se mitandao iga na rumura igete of which I may not disclose na rumura igete ogo praise ekikoleke yogotebanga it's a job well done.
Yeah.
I from where you seated. Do you agree it was a job well done? Mbuyega asiye yakolekanete na ababa yetu chibesa mbuje bayikiranite bikolebe.
Asa abantu bari batagete ko bari the rule of law. Na bari batasigete kinyinge kero cyo mugusi.
Yes.
Na asa abantu bari bakagete ngo borayi no bonyasaye. Bakonyara kurwa so borayi. Itukondi yo baratoke ngambari gwanchirana namanga nagendereta se serikali.
Yes.
Asa abantu bunabo. Igasi yero ningiya. Lakini asa abantu bari bare ane nabo abangi. Bali tuwegenete ngo borayi no gukwana n'abantu. Oborai no go protect your community yaito. Oborai no go lead by example.
Sure.
Ito sogete. Omuntu go celebrate asegente ikyo. Yani uino muntu takire guira in a psychiatric ward. Ali go senare normal because omuntu na kwete. Imagine someone is dead right now na togo kwa na Vincent ni iro bago.
Abantu nkolera bale.
Wano yamna togo kwa na abantu bari what injuries. As we are speaking right now, Mwarocha was there yesterday gali Kiumbu. Bangine bakirete gabarigeraniti because they are feeling the shame of what they did. Lakini omuntu in that breath imokota banga job well done. Alafu 2 days later after arorenga ba ondetayo kumwakira chinkobi agasoa ko tebanga I'm sorry, I apologize. Abantu bamintu and the ones who apologize bonega, they are not apologizing because they understand what they did is wrong. They are apologizing because they don't have supporters and because they are afraid of the consequences. But the consequence of their actions. Now they are saying, oh, I'm sorry. But we already know ngakiba korengereri. We already know ebirengereri byabo na obirega. Yes.
Remind me your name.
Mirina Frank.
Frank.
Yes.
Twarorire hashtag everywhere nga reject Keumbu asenge ncho yegente kiabeteke gokolekana. Are you in supporting abasaba usabara yaba bagendre gutumika abasaya nena so guita abantu na guitelia manyinga asenge ncho abasaba mbabu atinto bakora?
Kwanza kabisa ndeteko tomengora yane abene.
Right.
Just familia ayo moito mapinduzi. CMO yo nyarete gusiri obugima bwae. It was quite unfortunate that it happened in that kind of manner. Nande negento kyobosoku no yo mitate bere ko tangane ko teba. It is a shame that somebody can stand and purport to enjoy the outcome, the fruits yesegeli yabetali.
Sure.
Nabe kunyarekana. And then I've been always been an advocate for transparency.
Yes.
There are ntoje tiga go tuberera so kwegerera ubwenzi.
Yes.
Ekebe lakini rende Keumbu is a commercial center.
Yes.
Nimanyete abangina bande mbare naro rirese mutandao ngingure tanda naragura na matoke nabangina emyaka yarachirake chimbuce cyabeire nabe kunyarekana ikonde ni anakobora soyo mababere bana kobora se community. But I am very sure majority abangina bari bande they could be innocent. That is for sure. And it is possible abantu bali baje zakolete vurugu gali probably they were transported. Whether na mobilization yalinga, there was mobilization because there's no way abantu 200 barache asamo
nemete akira asamo semkala
nemete bogo ibere kale yemo na there was no mobilization. So it is a shame as a community. We are ashamed of that. As young men kwanza we are protecting our future and the future generation. To atume kirubono, and that's why we are saying enough is enough.
Right.
It is about time we face these people. It is better, but I want to lead a generation.
Yes.
Other than we turn and do a saying to
right. So asekera ontekelta sorbado mambi nki abantu ba expected man.
Actually we are peace ambassadors. We have been waiting for this clarion call, and we have realized that there is no angel elsewhere. As young people, we have come front. Yes, over time and again. Tukabatu kusangira kiaiga wacha kwa muruani bosaiga nisengenjo kwa boire nko ni aresera yae na higa nyeri tukoli yao leta ndizi zako kwa hiyo soko uza. So we don't want to have this kind of confrontation now and again. It's coming to an electioneering period. Tension is here and there. No kwa boire kubu tafadhali ena nkangora anza gutukachingoko usebe chuchu bya usobolemi but be open
plus bayibire enough ikiri bayibire nchiko isanaga retirement batiga abantu bande batekova.
So we want to put it clearly na Mambi will be having a peaceful caravan ekuralio Molembe where we will have all people stakeholders.
Yes.
Abara ibonsi baby wango wao wataba pastor
you have religious leaders.
Yes.
Ntubuate peace bari babuate interest ya peace unabona abayiga ba ambassadors of peace.
Yes.
Igoro tukiritoa akora tari Keumbu. I think you saw the video where we were calling out to cultural leaders. Kwa neema za Mungu wale wazee ambao wachache wamebaki wale wako na nia ya kutengeneza amani katika society.
Yes.
Through Mwanyagetinge Heritage Council they reached out wakasema abana aba twasokire sana ngayinuni numo gutorangiri tore nyumba negende kinege kigusi.
Yes.
So they said they are going to join us there tomorrow. And this is purely non-political. Kama wewe ni mwanasiasa unataka kuja hapo usikuje sijui umejibranda mnafanya nini na usitishe microphone kuongea hii kikao tuko nayo kwa sababu yenu because you messed up. And of course there's a group in Etos Virongo yosene Virongo nini my intelligence inaniambia kuna group inaitwa Virongo group. They were among the people ambao walitumwa kwenda kuleta fraka pale Keumbu. So tunasema ikiwa kuna sympathizers ambao mnafili ya kwamba kesho this should not happen ama nini, we are welcoming everyone. It's not political. And there is the option of staying at home. Mtu pia anaweza kaa nyumbani. Yes.
What about turatevera iguru ya security? How planned are you iguru ya security? How prepared are you iguru ya security? For instance, ndaisa kotebanga maybe the same person who organized the something that happened huko na hando bangire kende kuba attack mambi. So how prepared are you in terms of security?
Let him answer about the security. I will tell you about the second part. Okay.
Actually, on era abobo soko zaidi because these are peace ambassadors.
Obo soko na bobo ko bayi. Roma tata go silbo soko.
Abantu baby ya maanda awa mbali ganiri. Acha somo kutano yu. Oche asokora lyo marembe. The flag rero tubigete ko boko ne yomole. This will be our flag clarion call.
Tatwa.
Na ino cyo kumangu ko kageti. Abo mpaka father no akarali ako sisenia matoka ali agundira ligali. Ndio tete ko tabi. Tuna bantu kubatiri chiko. We have reached out to the relevant authorities. We have all the permits. We have informed the county commander.
Yes.
Is aware. Approval. It has been approved. To acquire an OSPD, Okisi Central, OCS. Actually, they are even very proud of whatever we are doing because we want to even help the progress, the reconciliation.
Right.
We will be having a car of our Askari who will be leading the convoy. All the way back to Bosongo. So we are free and then totally fully in place. Askari watakuwa pale to guide and protect the lives.
The part two?
The part two, if they plan it again, we are in fact, because ndo mete government toko deal nare wate ndeko kuna audacity. Onda uita na mambio boko teba bantu mbare baitira. Ndaka yoitira mukoro tamore as a country mwezi koro tamore into the 3% toko barani into the rights. So we are telling them and we are challenging them that. Mambi bate me bakore yentekyo.
Right.
Siengi manko bokere bakane sengincho intuna abange ko babwa. They have to remember that it is just a few people against an entire community. A community.
Igora ilumwe bangete niyo.
No, we are tumejipanga na democracy.
Okay.
Tumejipanga na upendo wa dunia yetu. We only have the love of our nation.
Yes.
Is what will protect us. Patriotism is what will protect us. Our culture will judge them harshly.
Yes.
If they decide to add a sacrilege on top of a sacrilege. And surely, okune culture y'omuntu yere DNA y'omuntu. Akimu gusita agukira. Na mbona abagusi nakigora tokwenda kubatairi naki bas tulia. Hatusemi hao watu wasikuwe prosecuted. We are saying while this is happening, please keep calm. Yes.
Right. Asante sana. Ekero tugendete gusangeyemo aseyemo amona peace ambassadors abo baguchikora lyo murembe abuli tukulia ankyo na kugikiri mono egekore ikyabeteke gokorekana sinse mo chake umbu egekore kyagerire ngano nye na baunchurire bali bakorije bunchuri babasichiro yake umbu nigo basokiri na gotebanga ga kitu abere. Forgive us asenge nchonga abange bagotebamba maite bintu bali gokora asenge ncho bunchuri bwabo boiranirense chindagera cyagundire abantu beminchire mbali kugora ndagera bukore ekero togendrete nayo ekero ngukuira ase oroboti rwaito orurwa renge rukubwatia ensemo yababwatani ba Mwamugusi Council of Elders nigo bono babwate sirie ebikundi binde ase okugikire chibura buru ase ensemo ya keumbu echichabete chigokorekana eikiaita egento kirete omuntu yo mugusiri obogima bwaye gukona ase mambieli tukuria lero ase omubuganio yomo imeyo mu cyobusongo ababwatani abo bakora gunere obino nyambane nigo bono ase nkwana yabo babere bakubolia abo bisabo botuki bobusalia DCI kwango yobotuki nagoteba buna bali babete bagokora egekore kyobosoku banyare ko babakwimukirwa egetambukire getindi kieli chiko oroboti oru buna rokugochera sembeo asenchera yobwekirano
bakungu mbanya koruta magena mbanya koruta ansara igokori no kwema abagaka na kwemegesaku intubuna mwanya getinge abagaka nabangina bamwanya getinge twagikeirie gentekyo naende ntori kogikeri tokatana murusi chianga yaya iyo tokogikeri nemenu ekera twisanire emyaka yo kogikeri nabagaka abana batene na egusiye yengima sio mchezo lazima tuheshimu mila na itikadi za watu wetu.
Kwa niaba yo munyaribari yongo saba mabera iga torabisa guchikorentera abantu baitu bakeumbu egesusuro mbago rigukende unabona chigari chigo keumbu cyatama gori abantu bari endagira gori abantu bari ebisukari biria bagori amatoka aria egekogera bari barendeteri yeriria tari abagaria ngoteba ngokoranga ki intubune tureti yaito twaisaneire mwamugusi tobu chamaraba tortarari diko tobu chamaraba tortarari diko togi kerio rio koretaria ero tabasa konyoro marembe paka achego sabo kwabera na into toma insert torre kanenga gento kerio tuakiraniri
watu wa Keumbu wamenyimwa haki yao, biashara zao zimeanguka kwa sababu ya tabia ya viongozi wetu. Tunaambia polisi hapa Kisii kama watashindwa kazi, na tumeona ukweli wameshindwa kazi, wasipotacha yule ambaye alisema vizuri kimasomazo mchana kusema ya kwamba ako na security ambaye amepatia mwenzake ambaye ni mbunge aende nao pale Kisii kupanga hiyo mambo ya security. Tunaambia serikali ya Kenya kuanzia Mheshimiwa Murkomen, Mheshimiwa PS, kama DCIO wa Kisii ama police commandant wa Kisii ameshindwa kazi, tafadhali tuma mtu mwingine afanye kazi.
Amangana yago koreka ebinyoro bindi naro inki mota wanchanera abasongo bagotebanga why don't you cease fire mogo tigomo gusi elieta lya nyendekire asetayo turayigame bone twachabune Kiombe togikeria mangana Keumbu na kubulia serikali eligere lielingo lya manganaya korwari mosocho paka Keumbu na aba barenge usene chipara na barabu baligererigu kero monta ligereriwe lingane libe kume liligererigu kabisa nebo mwana bwo muntu karenga ki lichiko limobwati
Mwanchomo ligereria karibu nande ekero togendete gusanga amana bagene ubaligaiga se studio bakurukunga Peace Ambassadors na boy ekero ngendete gukumanya kurwa sensemo yendi studio ayo toba togukwaliganiria ase kiunga chinsa ibere asenchira ere yo wikirano. Back to you Madam Frida. Yes, twarurege kolekiga kyaberege kumusebirengererie binge abantu for example abaga kabaga twarurire they are condemning it, yani bagendete gukigikeria nabo igaba na inchi beminchire nonye no gukora ubonchori ase chiro ya ke ase chinsemo cha Keumbu abange batebire mbali kugura tororire abanchori bakuwe murunganinya endagera yabo yasarekire ekero tugocha sensemo ya barayi murainaro eso kiribori nagoteba sorry gusena ko nagoteba pole gusena korokia ama yanda asege kolekia beteke kokolekana
abarai bari accused of this thing na abangi bari wenye walikuwa wameblamiwa wengi ni wa serikali. Let us analyze their behavior. Behavior number 1 endeke tangani kana deny yani ditangani buna kya wete iga bari abatangani bago geterende batanga kazi nzuri bakarealize bantu bari kogokere gentikyo bakachaka ko withdraw amangana ari bakwanite akeigo bakateba ya tali intu sifuno imogeti abantu koru Nairobi sifukana kaimo kya abantu koru Nairobi bagatara musocho bagaika Kisii kende getayo lakini Keumbu agaika kanyora obe bara na barangeri kindange kore rali akabasokiriria nge arange so hizo tabia ndio zinafanya totoro na kora serikali teri willing moisonde twachiete court tukaganya abantu bari babe arraigned in court bare tugabo bajibwa mashtaka ali abantu barete tugari ni omena ni kama kuleta omena na sisi tulikuwa tumeona tilapia ikifanya makosa yani noni bari go train bari batare ngoro kizimbani on top of that bono mwananchi tokanye tokonyeke kurwa serikali tugaikari tukanyora tatu no itenga file teyo nonye the arresting officer tachiti prosecutor nothing ono tweboriga ki honestly onye serikali yate tokonya mangana onye kere honest about nga mbata gitemangana yabe kango they have not done swiftly senginchorichi chikorende chi strike chia banafunzi uzichi abafanyikazi chiri cha agency muri korora chiroli mpaka chia machi pilipili yako isana boliga akonye town y'abantu baruo Osingo chimara marora chi tear gas chiko soki mpaka chi flavor marora chi protest chile mpaka chikala. Bawatete ni okobeka chikala as a tear gas. Lakini wone gari ryo kwanso mwana mo basi asire tone ngaba basi basire tio monto. Nothing is happening mpaka chifile nchiyo. So lakini Jason as on my side tingo tebanga baraibe serikali bakonyere siwezi sema hiyo na wale wenye walikuwa inlinda mwananchi they issued a statement wakatebia abantu pole inche personally as a youth leader nto chitamo tukatebia abantu pole na ndi tukatebaka kitu abere even on behalf ya youth bari batumigetu neba ntwa ngo tuabere sincho ntoro cyo busoku buri involved asama naye lakini tinga gusaba abantu be serikali mbamine tinga abantu mbari serious mbatayite justice.
Right.
Yes.
Frank, na tuchitonya gotebanga obo tukibokoru obo tukibwakoru abako bwatu babwatu bairuba chifile chabora. Do we really need gotebanga obo tukibokoru na and if yes, what is the need saying enchunga na bokoru itambukiro ngio kibukemuke because chifile na bochire kenande chibule.
I think for those who feel comfortable because they are supporting the government of the day, one thing I know about hili chikolito ya Kenya ni msumeno inakata mbele na nyuma. Leo hii unaweza kuwa pande ile nyingine na celebrate because you are protected because of the government of the day. But whenever time comes, a time will come ekero oyo go protect hata ili in place yo defend ya manganao. Utajikuta wewe mama yako ndugu yako kizimbani. And that is the beauty about the law in Kenya. You can play around with it but finally it will catch up with you.
Igandu gesambu kia kwerende unajua mtego wa panya unashika waliokuwamo na wasio paka ngoko yare gutara yabwatu wowo mtego wa panya na ilikuwa inaona hapo mo sacha yako kumubutu seseseko oyo DRC orenge dictate mbebope aungeongea no in Kenya I can't what examples ni nitata tiko kwa na ndoto it's political but bono iga that guy's name we just toko muinyora buno muntu ringo mobe origo itabantu baye so tigabara ina barobakani kubamanye naki don't kill your own people protect them that is why bago kwa chikura over protect yes.
Frank ase karavani mobwata mambi ni ngoko finance ni numwe finance gosomo muntu naroko ba
actually this swali ina rinyorire sana ande mono urasensemo ya online. You know our people believe in the perception na handouts na nyareba ikaransa segete ababekera ababangire gasi muje mokoreke muje ni gusiraza banyareba be kokoboko ne kiamagete lazima kibe kokoboko elinde igintu kena okorekana. This is a pure youth initiative. Siringi chia na ibere babanje no manya byasarande ayino moraliori mwana ominto no nere ngukora rubonjuru bwe nabakonya shiringi ibere njenya ora ibere no tunyora ibere tuburukani no ne karavani yitu yakanire na mafuta tonye tuchanga tobeke tugukura buya ko to ralirio morembe because this is something you get ali non profit is profit nobody. We will go to the family eliyo yo mintonga kyakoro osiemo tupeleke pole tu pale tuchangie hiyo familia ndogo iko pale from the small we have in the pockets ili ndio tutayema kwa reconciliation in the process tukanyerete ngaki the justice system na elewe atakio mkondo
right nandega kimurari 1 second umurayo masige east na kwa nitenga ishida n'abantu kuhangia sichigari yani wo mundonga nakwete ni kama saa hii upate mtoto wako amejikata mkono umetoka kabisa lakini unamuuliza ulikuwa wapi panga ikipita no koboko okora konya gose no mwana oko ita for being near anini panga so tigabara itobe serious. We have two issues here. People are hanging in the vehicle, they had gone all the way kurugusi paka keroka paka bari baitire bagaite gari ke hangeti
and it's a normal process
yani ngari teba iteti ekiacha ko baita na abantu bamwabo mtu anapigwa akiwa chini. Kwa hivyo abara itobe very serious. Tocha yake ko serious with the way we handle issues. Oko hang ni sawa, tutakuwa na siku ya kuongelea kuhang kwa gari. Lakini sasa hivi tunaongelea mauaji. Let us stay on topic.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana ekero tokwenda asoroboti runde emambia yelitikulia lero inse yekenyoro kia nyosia bogeka ebungene ya Kitutu Church South me county ya Kisii abarai hamona bana kenyoro nigo bakole barasa yokora lyo mulembe na kugikiria basai gutumikwa bobe gesiasa elikoleta chiburaburu Fred Marungu na boigo homo MCA Vincent Abuga Josephat Sungura negatia barai bande hau baba bagwikirana ase chinsemecho ase baba iri bakoralia umulembe na kubolia abana siasa gutiga gutumika basai bobe na boiga basai gutiga gutumikwa bobe
yamono nyasa wasena ino matanga rero twakorera exercise kia member education sensitization twaere siraba nyakenyoro bonsi anene mono banyonsia engencho engiya yoko chikokora siasa iko twachakira mwana je vijana ebichana byabe bigo tumeka bobe nande yiga as much as wasenga nechebe ngane nchara mwana go 200 300 ogenda kongya kututamagena kongya kuita abantu obe gun engendo ko twigwana tokore siasa yomulembe
bana siasa baitu tugutumie vijana baitu bobe usubize kuriria abantu bagende tukumia mono nabasaye narengo sabanga twafuidi gutumia abananchi for the benefit kero kende ya manganabo kipinausi nabasaye bainu nabasurire
tigatutige kutumika bobe asoko kora kikobabu na into chigun tokore siasa yomorembe mwana siasa onde bwensi ogocha mwanjera okwana oni chisere chayo ni binyanya byayo koraki ogenda tutige kuhitana into ase intwe
the other day into our summit gekoya moisonde antwaro chinya bisase yesterday utukoiga incident ya muyiti wa penalty St Paul's igonga narengo saba bana baito mo especially chinga kichiga e program ya 844 nkoere guchi this is the right time ubwenta kubeka chinga kichino na ende mubeke BD wakikisha nge grade yo chikonyora na kikego chigo determine your future
burai bwito twachorete ntwaro chenga kitware gochora kurende bono igatwara mukiria maiso ndotagete gochora burai uburonge abantu baria baguchigotora abuya baguchigotokorera yara maya bararenta magendere ase Kenya yaitu ochumiere bono iga nturi kwisiberi sabuni nturi kori ngeni chia mabuta okobo ochumi yabono esinyete gwetera soburai burororo
riwake kura for 5 good years inki ujigo benefit kura somurai gwachora.
Right, abona bagenderete kubulia umurembe ase chinsemo okurende ekero togenderete igoro yo musafara uyura chikobali tukulia ankibu umurembe na kugikiria ebikore ebyabere bikwene kiwasi chinsemo obyokoleta chiburaburu Frida. Yes, aso musafara uyure mambya mbanto kiaswa baganiri gocha mbaro ntubate exceptionals gose mbanto kiaswa bali invited ase umusafara uyu
the open kera ko asekero monto
right
twasabire as long as 18 years and above tafadhali inchu abasaye abantu abanene elders be community abantu be kanisa any stakeholders abantu ba security even at the grassroots level all stakeholders abangina baito our mothers kwa sababu hii maneno yote ina involve pia mama zetu tunawakaribisha sana
right
ilinde bache batokonye ku make the call for peace
right Frank about the program ya mambya nzangapi muguchaka ngai muguchakira so that umuntu risko gali oiwete ko bajoin amanya sako banyora na ndena kyako banyora
so caravan ya mambi
yes
we will start as chiro yetu as town itenene ya Keroka by saa 3 tutakutana pale tukumena na petrol station ya Toto Kijauri gari
yes
tembea pole pole we have a caravan tufike Keroka town tutafanya ibada masabo matera na Clarion Corierina umulembe tukuganie siri tukelina segusi yetu kurwabu tochemba ke chiro yetu ya Keumbu whereby boniga yabere na it's a center of interest sana want to sit with our mothers igali tokole a seminar aba pastor betu bakaro na yo mito Frida tangana batera
yes
aba raibe kanisa baro tura abantu baitu na kubabekange okubwatana irinde na ne kunyarekana abangina bali basabira abanda mabera put our heads together tuwaberane nandi byasala bigendere kireri ndateba na kero twabera nire igona amachika yande taragendera kubwati bwayo kubwata abantu bari bado tutakemeyo bado yo kikao then tukurugabo so town yetu ya Basongo where we have a peace walk have a peaceful walk in the town tukolere chiro yetu ya daraja 2 watu ikire matu akole we proceed direct to the family yoyo nito Vincent Osiemogali bubasi tuire ngora yeto abune kiombe and kurugabo to wish her the best to support in a small way we can to go ready to go but that will not be the end. This is just for tomorrow. We will have these other programs following up to the constituency level, to the ward level, to the villages as a youthful movement in the terra neve again to kiamambi yoga care echakoba na a continuous process to kira abantu baitu once bomanya ubuyabomore.
Right. Asante sana Frida. Rochinga chinsa niko chikoto mnyoke kigima. I don't know whether you have anything to say. Ekero toro chukura.
Yes. This is our land.
Yeah.
Mochiondete yonande tukuchukuri gansi ito. Abanchali, abagirango, abamachoge, abagetutu, abanyaribali. Our ward, all the 9 constituency and the 6 clans. Chiomogosi. We don't have any other place to okurukanka. Onyanto okoronge yo muchioito. Unabono ikato kwebanga even on national level, chi politics ya national level. Onyanto okwebeka mognomo gusi. Gaki hatuwezi enda mbali. Igo mimi no kuambia watu tuochambo bunaba gusi, tuinyure bintu mbire bigo bitatakiri bitoatanane na hande tusikane tuanjane.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Asante Frank. You have anything?
Okasoko kolera na ngo sababa abantu baitu tuaraba twaera abasa ntuancha kutumeka. Tuwe vyama siasa inakuja na inaenda. Sisi tutabaki kwa majirani. Huyu utabaki kama jirani yako atakuwa alikuwa anaitwa Frida, hawezi change jina baada ya siasa. Ndio maana tuwa sababu abantu ndio sikusie tonse tatumenyama no morene twanchane na tusika maoni ya bande kiro mundu na bara tora maoni tofauti tubasike na tubaba antabamo morene.
Right, asante. Ekirongurigere chikomenti ibere chuka sengencho yebiro oyo no muri kyoito kuruko Pius Byogo agatebanga peace amaiga bene abachirenwe. Asante sana Pius asengencho you are there. Vaida agatebanga yukundani nanda agatebanga mambi muomerane chinsemo chakeroka ekeromo guchikoralia omurembe am Eugene kuru chinsemo chiria chakeroka agatebanga show ikusawa inakamtuno oteberenga muomerane chinga kiecho litukulia asante sana asengenchonga Eugene you are there oyakurukunga Darin agotebanga yukundani agotebanga omurembe umaya gukora kagotebanga reject keumbu korende ebyo nebirengereri byaye ekero tugukura ase engambo yagetembe usase kyunga engambo. Thank you so much asengencho mwanyole chinga kichogocha nande unabutambe togotebanga peace omurembe ogendere kwene kiwasi chinsemo chonsi ekero tugukura kurugaiga ase engambo nigongo koira ase oroboti eronde urugaiga ase studio ase rogotebanga emambia litukulia rero nigaba MC yabakurukuru Kisina Nyamira bakuru kubiutomanga nigo besokia na gukwanira igoro yobo mobwa barayi bali bakwamereria eserikali bamanyekanite buna United Opposition gukwana litweria lero nigo bayigo babere bakomocha inkwana ya muturi asokoralia asoko yerurukia ebendera asobora ibwense asababere bagoteba buna teribuya abarayi kugendera gukora siasa cyo kugendera kunachana gose cyo kugendera kubagekana ase chinsemo aba.
Mheshimiwa Biuta Omanga onde nabamentoga abarayi bakabeiro na abande baro eto umeranire garero ukwanira mangana yo musike Justin Muturi akwana igoro ya a joint candidate opposition 2027 eto stugete sana ekaro twaigwa musike Justin Muturi oyoro marayo DP political party ogotangasa mubaso igoro ngere bwa muire nga igaro cho yobana tagochoru koba a joint candidate opposition 2027 Kalonzo Musyoka. E konsani yeito una baraiba kurugusiga grassroots leaders nkeringa tira ikirase abaraiba liba gotebanga ingobwana takoba.
Ronald Onduso, former MCA Getenga Ward, Aiga Kisii County. Interete kwa na linga neliga yobochoro yi boro bogochikocha next year. Na indentoroche our United Opposition ego sukabuya sana. Tatikalende chinkwana bona chiritwaro cha baraiba kwane kanisa alia nga bancheire umuraigete achikoran ase ticket ya United Opposition ngagete nganga kichirinjira ikera nase bono ngusaba twale buna bagusi abantu abanchi bense yaito ya Kenya nga onye wikeranga no gochora umuntu ogujiko ko minyoka ose koligekero kase ticket ya United Opposition ebe achorwa ase nchera yo bwasi okunando abantu bonse baba involved
yongisa akabairo mu MCA Bogetenga Ward South Mogirango una baminto bakwanire enchera opposition
bia mono yabeno manchomo ligereria kurende goikira buno nko yeikerio mwerio ase chinsa ibere tumerane nandege kuraga chinsa nye ngoletera yande ase nchira ire yo wikero na bagani balenge ase studio togote basante sana nande after karabani yelire ntoba invite elio tosange tomanyana kiale nande what will follow next. Asante sana Senge Nchogocha, tutakutana tena nayo mwanchomo ligereria mbia mona Senge Nchu been with us ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto tumerane nandege kuraga chinsa inya.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, manana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Ne bamurabali mondi gerite gusoma bate aba muri ko bamurambali ko ligeri yamote iba murabali bakani abuna bintu tali bamuraimwe bamurambanga bande tata abande mbaro okate nayo mumuraya toyo bamurambanga bande tata bamuranke bura babura bandoro zidata okate naye aye toyo na bande mbaro tuwakana bwe koro manya bande mbaro tata bamurambanga bande kona bamuranke bura babura bandoro zidata kei ngoko te ibo nga bono pamura bande mbona bweka to manyanga abande mbaro ini nkwani bwate kaini ko manyanga toli ya bweka na bande mbaro inyora boyiko
Baraka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, manana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke milimo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa che company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'ikimini kurwasa che company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibigo bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego n'ikirangi ao nkonya bale black sheet egati ibintu binde binge inyiranga mbabwa tomokori obunge munabono uyebo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tomokori wa forklift asibigo bokori ba which customer care buri obwebirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bikumbolire ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyirangi namagacho asafaricom boigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchiwo songo bakere simbo transit number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.